Alright guys, for today's video, ang truck na gamito nato karon kay sa 10-wheeler flatbed. Ang kargahon nato karon kay Gabion, 9 tons from Davao to Tagum. Let's go! Basig na adi ay mo ilaing requirements diha, naga-tracking po tawag 6-wheeler o 10-wheeler wing van drop side. Naasad ta self-loading for towing or low bed for heavier equipment units. Napunta boom trucks ranging from 3-tonner up until 10-tonner boom. Naasad ta 12-tonner crane and up until 200-tonner crane. Rough terrain or crawler crane. Pati hydraulic hammer naapod ta. Forklift 3-tonner, 5-tonner o 12-tonner naapod ta. Manlift naapod ta. Nagabaligya pod ta genset from 25 kVA to 1500 kVA depende sa inyong requirement. Nagaparenta sa ta genset pero depende sa availability. Salamat. God bless.
Bringing only good vibes.